Switch 2 unboxing. This is the bundle. It's got the Mario Kart World with it. Let's take a look. Pretty exciting. Oh, got my cat, Xylo, always helping. Let's see. Got the Joy-Cons. Looks good. It's definitely a version 2 of the original Switch Joy-Con. Heavy. Feels good. And blue. Switches, button. There's the C key, infamous C key. Huh. The left feels stiffer than the right, but maybe just my hands. Let's see. The actual Switch itself here. Looks like it's got a little stand. Pulls out nicely. USB-C port, speakers, micro SD card slot. The top has, looks like a, what's that? Yeah, there's a little 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, USB-C port again. This is the heat ventilation fins, power button, volume, game card slot, little rubber holder in there. Interesting. Cool. Nice snap. Put it back together. There's the front. It's just a big screen. Yeah, there's another view. Power button on the left. Volume switch. Like I said, it's got the heat, dissipation, vents there. USB-C, headphone, game card. And then bottom is the USB-C. These would be speakers. Yeah. So what else is in here? Holder. It's got color coded on the inside. Plus and minus sides there, so I know where it goes. Plus and plus, red. Oh, just magnetic snaps in there. That's pretty slick. I like that. So it's a little small for my hands, but I got big hands. So that's okay. We got power supply. Nintendo branded USB-C question mark on the other side. Looks like there's the close-up of the power supply. Lighton's a pretty common brand to make these. Output 5 volts, 9 volts, 15 volts, 20 volts. It's a switching power supply. 3 amps, 15 watts, /27 at 9 volts. So 5 volts, 15 watts, 9 volts, 27 watts, 20, 15 volts, 45 watts. 20 volts is 60 watts at 3 amps output. So that's what all that says. What else we got in here? That would be the actual USB-C cable to carry the power. Nintendo branding on that as well. Set that aside. What other goodies we got in here? And it looks like the last item is this thing, which would be the dock. Take a look at this. So it's got a little TV light indicator there. Two USB ports on that side. Back. It says HDMI, and I assume that's, yeah, that snaps off real easy. So there's a network port, LAN, HDMI out, and AC adapter is the little USB thing, so you can plug it in there. And that's about all there is to it. It's got holes for where the speaker would be on the bottom, but I assume it would be playing through the TV. Cool. Not much to it, but pretty straightforward. That's good. And yeah, there's no, it doesn't come with a game apparently, like a physical card, but it's supposed to have the full game download. So I get to fire that up, but pretty straightforward. Nothing to it. Looks good.